Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to go over a quick overview of a 2014 and up Chevy Silverado Sierra washer pump. I guess it is a very common problem for these pumps to go out. It is super simple to replace. Don't take it to the dealer. You can do it yourself with some basic tools. You need a 10mm deep and shallow socket, a wrench. I got some power tools right here just to try to speed up the process, but you don't need that. You need a wrench, 10mm short and deep. You need a T15 Torx. I took my wheel off so I can see my brakes because I just got this truck, so I just want to make sure they're okay. But very simple. So I just want to go over a quick overview of what I did. I was going to film the whole thing, but my GoPro battery is at 15%, so I just want to show you what I did and just maybe some tips and tricks on what to do. My 2015, it's got 25,000 miles on it. Washer pump's still working. This 2016 truck that I have, it's got 48,000 miles on it, and the washer pump quit. So I'm gonna show you real quick what I did. There's this plate obviously right here. There's some screws holding it on. You see this? I don't know if you can see that I have a head-mounted GoPro unit, so I don't know how well you can pick up these things, but I just want to go over it real quick with you. All these screws right here up top here are 10mm. We're going to want to take all these out, take this out, okay? There's T15 screws holding this shield on right here. That's all it is. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7 right here. This will drop down, okay? There is a shield right here held on by 3 screws, okay? 1, 2, 3. Take those screws out, take that out of the way, throw it away. Not throw it away, put it off to the side, you know what I mean. Here's my quality Harbor Freight floor jack. That's broken, but still works, so it's good. Anyway, 10mm right here, take that off. There's gonna be a 10mm right on line with this right here, right on the back side, holding this washer actual assembly on. Okay, take those screw out. It'll fall down right here. There's 2 plugs on it. One low fluid light, it'll come on, unplug that. Then the actual pump plug. Okay, once it's sitting right here, get a little pick, pop it up in the hole, and just push up, and it'll come up right. Okay, once you get that down, you can twist off the rubber line. Okay, get it all back together. It simply just pushes in and out. That's all you got to do. Push it back in, put it all back up. What I did is I put this all the way back up in, and then there's this 10mm right here I can screw it in with, and it actually held the bottle enough that I can hold it in, put the other screw in right here. Then I started tightening that up. That's all nice and tight. Put the shield back on, and then I'm going to obviously put these back on. Okay, now like I said, you don't have to take the tire and wheel off if you don't want to, but it would make it a lot easier just to get in here real quick. Just take them screws out, then you have all kind of more room to work, but you don't have to. I just did it like I said because I want to check my brakes, and it's a lot simpler anyway. Okay, that's it. That's all it is. Don't go to the dealer, you can do it yourself. Like I said, deep. I had a shallow one somewhere around here. Not a shallow 10, you know what they look like. Actually, it's on this right here. That's all you need. That's all the special tools. Wrench. This is what we're replacing right here. Like I said, get a pick. I'm going to show you this right now. Get a pick, okay? Once the plug is on there, with a little bit of pressure, just push in, lift up. That plug pops right out. So like I said, guys, it's not that hard to do. You guys can definitely do it yourself. It took me 15 minutes to do. Not that hard. Take your time, don't rush it, don't be breaking stuff. I know how some people get, but everything will be all right. That washer pump, I got a discount because I work at a garage, but that cost me 10 bucks. It's fixed. It took me 15 minutes. Probably 5 more minutes to get all the screws back in because I got the power tool. Put it in real quick and we're all good. But hope that guys helped you. good to see a lot of these pumps need replaced. It's definitely going to start becoming an issue. So hope you guys have a good day. Just want to go over that. Thank you.